Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix when your Huawei Freebuds 5 are not charging and what are the things that you can do. So the first thing that I recommend for you to try is to change the cable or clear the charging port in the Huawei Freebuds 5A. And then the next thing that you can try to do, maybe this is going to work for you, you want to do a hard reset. So how to do a hard reset is also really simple. So you're going to put them back to the case. And when you're going to put them back to the case, open the case, and on the right side you're going to find this button. So you just want to hold it. And you want to hold it until the white is going to be red. See? And right now it's resetting. See? And now it's done. So try it out and maybe this is going to work for you. So you can like help it to charge it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.